Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Faum. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine as I was requested by someone in the comment section. So I'll be using these hair ties. I just did cut them from an old t-shirt and actually they work so perfectly for my hair. And as you can see, I have got a lot of new growth. My hair is really growing out and I'm just enjoying that. So before I start or show you guys exactly how my night routine goes like, I just wanted to show you guys the new growth and actually to apply some moisturizer, just a little bit of water, rosemary water and my avocado oil hair food. So first I'm just going to go in with my rosemary water and I have 3 videos on why I am using this rosemary water, so just go in the channel and watch those videos and you'll see the benefits and the importance and why I am currently using the rosemary water. And I'm just going to apply a little bit so that it doesn't get my locks wet, because I just want it to moisturize the new growth and to make my hair feel a little bit soft when I go in with the hair food. So don't forget to apply on your edges because we also want them to grow. And at the nape area, remember to apply this water too, because you need your hair to be healthy all round, especially the edges which are tend to breakage a lot. So I'm just going to apply this and massage this in well and just make sure that all the areas are well catered for. So as you can see, the bottle is over. It was around a quarter, so I use a quarter bottle of rosemary to just go through my hair and just apply that. Then I go in with my fingers and massage that in. It was a little bit runny and getting on my face, so I was just trying to wipe it off. So as you can see, it tends to make the locks look a little bit fresh. Then I go in with my hair food to just seal in the moisture. As I had said, I wanted to stop using hair food and actually start using shea butter, because hair food tends to just sit on your scalp, as while shea butter melts away when it comes into contact with your scalp or the heat that your body produces. So I love that about shea butter. So I want to replace my tin of hair food with shea butter. But meanwhile, let's just use this for sealing in that moisture. So I'm just going to apply and make sure I apply it a little bit, not too much, not too less. Don't forget to apply on your edges, because as I have said, we need your hair growing and the edges are the most delicate part of your hair. So just rub that in, make sure it's evenly distributed and there are no big lumps of the hair food standing on your locks. Then I'm just going to go in with my fingers and detangle the hair, make sure the shaded hair is off, and also to remove any lint that can be attached on the locks, because tomorrow I need a fresh looking hairstyle. And oh, the massage is so good. So I love massaging my scalp, especially after moisturizing. So after that, I'm just going to start sectioning the hair. I love tying my hair lately in a ponytail because as I had said, my locks had grown a little bit longer. So I stopped tying it on a half up, half down and began tying it on a ponytail. So I have this method of tying my ponytail where I just separate my edges. And when I say my edges, I mean the hair that is around near my ear and between my near my ear or between my ear and my temple. Then I just select those braids or those locks and leave them out, then put the rest of the hair in a ponytail, as you can see, because these areas are where my edges tend to just like shed and fall off a lot. So I tend to reduce the amount of stress that I apply on them. So I'm going to tie my first hair tie in the ponytail that you are seeing, because that area I feel it can endure a little bit pressure, and the hair at the front I just tend to, it doesn't shed a lot, so I just tend to put it in the same ponytail. But if yours does shed a lot, just leave the whole of your edges out. Then I'm going to go in with my next ponytail to just add the few strands of locks that I had left behind. So this way, these locks are not put into so much pressure. The tension at the edges is less because they are in another ponytail, which is so much less tied, or it doesn't have so much pressure exerted to it, so they tend to be looser, and that way it helps me feel less tension, especially when I put my head down to rest or just tying up my ponytail, my normal ponytail. So just try and figure that out until you have a nice ponytail. Go in with your toothbrush, just lay your edges and ensure that your ponytail looks good. So as you can see, my ponytail looks a little bit, well, disorganized, but I always do a good job with that style, and I promise you, you'll feel your edges are relaxed. And then I go in and just put the end of my locks into a big braid and turn it or attach it to the middle of my ponytail. Then using my scrunchie, I just go in and tuck the whole of my ponytail down so that I don't have hair moving around when I sleep. And then use this scarf. Actually, I bought it at 30 shillings on the street, and then go in with this scarf and just tie everything down and leave it to stay like that as I sleep until in the morning. So other times I wake up while the scarf has run away from my head, but other times I wake up when it's there. So in the morning, what I usually do, I just remove that scarf. Then I go to my ponytail. I take my scrunchie, push it in the middle of my ponytail and unbraid the braid, and I'm good to go, because I hate doing so much in the morning. I just love when I wake up and I'm ready to leave. So that's it, guys. One thing I forgot to mention is that when I actually apply the moisturizer, when I moisturize my hair, I tend to just leave it to air dry. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Peace.